sometimes when you're scrolling on Instagram, all right, you see this suggestion: turn your stories into a reel. All right, then it tells you only you can see this reel until you share it. Then under it, you see create this reel. All right, these things are always beautiful, so I always take advantage of them. I always advise people, whenever you can, take advantage of this. Click that create this reel. All right, so we are creating now. So the reel is creating. So you can now pick songs. All right, so it uses the suggested things that it put there. All right, so you now pick whatever song, and the song tries to arrange itself with the clips you have picked. All right, so since we are doing stories, these songs I'm trying to pick now are trying to arrange themselves with the way the stories were arranged, with the way the images turn on the stories. So it tries to balance it out. All of this is happening automatically. So sometimes when you're struggling with content creation, these kind of things are good to do. All right, these kind of beautiful things, you see. So I'm picking different songs just to see which one fits well with the clips that I have in this story. All right, so this doesn't just happen for only stories. It also happens for, templates. It just suggests this kind of templates to you. I'll show you about templates later, but this one is about stories, and I think a lot more people should be taking advantage of it. You struggle with content, there are ways to go about it. Instagram can suggest stuff to you. Take advantage of what they are suggesting. So they've suggested my stories, and they've suggested audios too. So this is me trying to pick different audios. All right, so you guys should check this out and let me know what you think. I tested all the songs that were suggested to me. All right, then I came back to pick this one. All right, so I picked it, and it will now align with the clips. See that the clips are arranged in the cool way. Then this is it. All right, now you can click that edit. You see edits there, you can click edit. All right, so the clips are there, but we can edit them. So the different clips, the different timings: 2.8 seconds, 12.5 seconds, 6.0 seconds, 2.4. So we can edit all of that, right? You can make it shorter. You can put transitions in between. So this is me trying out transitions. These transitions, you can apply one transition to all of them, all right? Or for each point, you put different transitions, all right? So this is me now testing the different transitions available in this. So the different transition, I'm putting on that transition here, I'm putting that transition here. So I just keep changing that. So it's beautiful. You struggle with content a lot. Why don't you use these suggested things? All right, use these suggestions. Okay, stop struggling. So when you are satisfied with what you've picked, you are okay with all the things, all the transitions you have picked, you click done. All right, so when you click done, you can reorder the clips the way they are. You can reorder them, or you just say it's fine, everything is fine, done. Okay, and it is ready. It is ready to be deployed. All right, so this is it. It is ready to be deployed. And if you don't want to do it for that day, you can save as draft. All right, look at that there. You can save as draft. Okay, so let's say I don't want to post for today. I can save as draft. All right, I can add a collaborator, collabs. Okay, I can add select a button, maybe Instagram. You can send me a message on Instagram or WhatsApp. All right, I can select these topics. Now this is one beautiful thing I like. This adding topics, it's beautiful. You guys should be doing this. This helps Instagram understand your post more, all right, and direct more people to view it, because you have picked topics that video is related to. You see, so these are all the different topics. You can only pick 3 though, but there are different categories. You can just look through. Right, so when you've decided, you've tagged people, you've invited those you want to invite, you've picked your location, you've added your topics, you've added the message button. All right, by the way, I like message button and add topics. Then you can save as draft. See, so this is another one that comes up. Instagram suggests a template for you to use, and they say use the template. All right, share your signature style. These are all prompts and suggestions that Instagram is giving you all the time to help you with your content creation. All right, so what you do is when you click it, all right, then you can actually add media, okay, across. So you can see 5.9, 0.4, 0.4, 0.5, 0.6. You can add this media, all right, and it will fill these positions. The different media will fill these positions, as many as is available in this template for the time slots. Okay, so Learn to use these prompts. Learn to use these suggestions. Stop struggling with content creation. Okay. All right. So this is 2023. All right. I want to see better content. Okay. I want to see better content. It is possible. All right. You can share at least 3. All right. That's why it's saying the minimum of 3 to continue. Right. All right, guys. Thank you for watching. I hope you take advantage of these suggestions. All right, suggested clips, suggested reels, suggested templates. All right, take advantage of them and don't struggle with content this 23. All right, see ya.